Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Jess. Thank you so much for finding me. I'm so excited that you did. I'm also excited because I'm doing a first impressions of this beautiful palette. I don't know if you've seen it or not, but it's been literally going about all over Instagram, all over YouTube, because people are doing, new release videos and that kind of thing. And so this has become quite well known, unless you're living under a rock. But I was lucky enough to actually have been put on their PR list, and they sent me this palette and their brush set also. I won't be reviewing that today, only because I like to use my own brushes that I know that performs, and I can give this palette a proper review because I know how my eyeshadows work. But this is how she looks on the inside. Absolutely gorgeous. You get 12 eyeshadows and they're all named, as you can see, and it's not just an all green palette, like it's quite a versatile looking palette, because you have these shades up here, you have neutral colors as well, so you could really delve into some different and creative looks, or more neutral everyday looks as well. It is priced at $35 Australian dollars, and they are a Brisbane indie cosmetics company, and the makeup and brushes are vegan and cruelty free. So I feel like I need to get some color on my eyeballs. I really want to play with this. I've been holding off, but yeah, super excited. So let's do this, shall we? Okay, I've just been applying this bronzer palette, the highlighter color and the bronzer in my crease and my brow bone. They're both matte shades, and I feel like there's not enough transition shades in this palette, because there is only Bambi, which is a light peachy color. So there's something to keep in mind, especially if you've got hooded eyes. But yeah, we are going to use Bambi to bring in some of that peach. You can see that it's built up quite nicely over the top of that transition color that I had laid down. I'm going to take Trinity, which is this beautiful, vibrant, almost neon green, just on a W7 packing brush. That is a gorgeous color. Take Bambi to blend it out. Not patchy, pigmented, a really pretty shade. For a matte green, that's actually really very pretty. Chloe, which is a slightly deeper matte. Just on the outer edge there. Adds a little bit of something, because the mattes seem to layer on themselves really well, and they're quite vibrant. I'm going to take a little bit of Jade, which is this gorgeous deep forest green. Okay, that is extremely pigmented. Only dipped in a little bit. It's taking a little bit of Bambi to help blend that out. Taking a bit more of Trinity and Chloe. They blend out quite easily. They're quite vibrant, and I've only used a concealer as my base, which is the BYS Full Coverage Concealer. So far the blend is looking quite decent. Now I'm going to take that one because I think that'll work really well with the colours I've chosen. It's green almost with a gold, yeah, it's got a gold reflex to it. That is stunning. The shimmers actually feel like they're a little bit oily as well. Looking really, really pretty, and I will be cleaning up anything like that. After, I'm going to take a mixture of Trinity and Chloe. So those two there. You really don't need much in the way of product. I feel like the look's actually coming together really well. For the inner corner, there's not really too much to choose from unless you want to go matte, but I don't think that'll work well on my brow bone. So I'm going to go in with Crystal. Is that too cool? I'm going to take a mix of Crystal and Roxy. I think it works because of the outer corner being quite cool as well. So we're looking, I'm going to put some mascara on, finish off the rest of my makeup, and give you my final thoughts and swatches at the end. This is the finished look. I think it turned out quite well. They blended out really smoothly. I don't feel like this is a beginner friendly palette because they are quite different in texture. They're very pigmented. But unless you're wanting to really expand your collection or get more creative, in the end. Swatches, I'm gonna go row by row. So we got Crystal, Bambi, Chastity, and Jade. So Crystal, Bambi, Chastity, and Jade. Then we've got Roxy, Chloe, Trinity, and Kitty. In the last row, we've got Destiny, Gypsy, Lola, and Dallas. They're basically one swipe swatches, really, really pretty. Some of the shimmers are an oily feel. They've got different textures all around this palette. Like there's mattes. The green jade color is an incredibly pigmented matte, whereas some of the others aren't as pigmented, but they do seem to work really well. You get the ingredients and all the information on the back. The only problem with being a matte cardboard is that you're going to get fingerprints on basically everything in it. You get 14 grams net weight. It's cruelty free and vegan and has a 12-month shelf life, which is great. Is this a perfect palette? No. I feel like there could be a cooler tone neutral matte brown shade in here. only because I did have to add the bronzer and the matte setting shade just to kind of help with the transitioning of the shades. But I do like the formula of this palette. I do feel like it's a unique color story, and if you like something different, this is going to be a palette for you. But yeah, overall really quite happy with how it turned out. I'm going to give it a couple more goes and probably do a 3 looks 1 eyeshadow palette video in the near future. Let me know if you're going to pick up anything from LuckyBunny Cosmetics. I'll link them down below. They do ship internationally, and yeah, I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much to LuckyBunny Cosmetics who have actually sent out this palette to me. I'll link everything down below. Don't forget to subscribe to a small YouTuber because it really helps me out and also gives you good karma. Don't forget to like, and I'll see you guys in another video soon. Bye.